You've been lied to for years, and I'm about to prove it with data they don't want you to see. Right now, you might be paying $50 plus per year for antivirus. But watch this. Here's the dirty secret. Windows Defender scores identical to paid antivirus. 6 out of 6 for protection. You've been paying for nothing. But it gets worse. Much worse. Third-party antivirus actually makes you less secure. 2017. Major antivirus programs had security holes that hackers exploited. The protection became the attack vector. You installed software to protect yourself, and it created new ways to attack you. Look at this. Urgent. Your account will be closed. How many times have you seen this? How many people clicked? While you're worrying about viruses, hackers are laughing at how easy it is to trick humans. And here's what's crazy. You already own military-grade protection. It's sitting right here, unused. Want real protection? Here it is. Updates, strong passwords, smart browsing. That's it. These 3 things stop 95% of attacks. No subscription required, no annual fees, no false promises. The antivirus industry makes billions selling you fear of threats they can't stop. You've been their cash cow. You're already protected. Start using what actually works.